Hello dear students of ICSE class 10. So many of you are very much worried about the second semester examination, and many of you are confused regarding whether council is going to give a separate syllabus for second semester. So let me clear you, syllabus was already given earlier before the bifurcated syllabus was released. So from there we have to separate ourselves with all topics we need to prepare for our second semester. So here we have ICSE class 10 geography paper 2 semester 2 syllabus for 2022. So you don't need to worry, this is not the syllabus prepared by me, the syllabus was prepared by the council earlier itself. Just we need to just separate the syllabus which is now required for our second semester. So I have already done it for you. So the same PDF I'll be uploading it. That means I'll be sharing the link in the description. You can just take the printout or you can write down in your copy. So you can see here. So what we all have to do over here is that map of India. Okay, the map of India we have to do. And within the map, what we have mentioned on an outline map of India, candidate will be required to locate, mark, and name the following. Okay, what we have to do? Locate, mark, and name the following. Okay, so mountain peaks and plateaus are there, and which all mountain peaks and plateaus it is mentioned over there. Okay, Himalayas, Aravalli, Vindhyas, all these are there. Okay, you can just go through it. Then plains are there. Okay, okay, let me highlight it. Okay, mountains and peaks are there. Okay, number one. Then plains is there. Then desert we have to prepare. Okay, river is also there. Okay, then we have water bodies, passes, longitude, direction of winds, distribution of minerals. Okay, then soil distribution. These are there. Okay, so within each and every highlighted topics, you can see others are also there. Just for example, soil distribution, alluvial soil, black soil, cities. Okay, so cities I have to mark it separately. This is separate. Okay, I have made a mistake over here. Cities in a separate topic. So cities, which all cities you have to mark? Delhi. Okay, Mumbai, Kolkata, then Chennai is there, Allahabad is there. Okay, and then population is the last one. And within population, you have to point out distribution of population, dense and sparse population. Okay, so all these are to be marked. You can practice it now only. Okay, now let us move down. Now here, minerals and energy resources. So within minerals and energy resources, you have to go through iron and ore. Okay, conventional sources. Within conventional sources, you have to go through coal, petroleum, gas, natural gas is also there. Okay, then within this you have to prepare the distribution, advantages and disadvantages. Okay, then hydel power is also there. So Bhakra Nangal Dam, Hirakud Dam, location and state benefit, then non-conventional resources, sources. Then solar is there. Okay, then wind is there, nuclear, biogas. So all this we have to prepare it from this chapter number 8 as per the syllabus mentioned, minerals and energy resources. Then now let us move on to prepare Indian agriculture. And within Indian agriculture chapter, you have to go through importance, problems, and reforms. Okay, important problems and reforms. Then agricultural season, Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid season. You have to go through it. Then climatic condition is also there. So climatic and soil requirement, okay, processing, distribution of following crops, pulses. So all this you have to prepare it from this chapter number 9, that is agriculture. Okay. Now next one is manufacturing industries, importance and classification. So agro-based industries, you have to go through it. Okay, agro, that means agro-based industries. Okay, and then within agro-based industries, you have to go through sugar, textile. Okay, and especially textile, cotton. Then mineral-based industry, iron and steel, Tata Steel. Okay, that is Rourkela. Then petrochemical and electronics. These are the topics which you have to prepare from this chapter number 10. Okay, so very less chapters are included in second semester, so no need to worry at all. Okay, and then from chapter number 11, you can see here from chapter number 11, you have to go through roadways. So within this chapter, roadways, you have to go through national, okay, national as well as state highways, national and state highways, then the golden quadrilateral, okay, quadrilateral, NSCW corridor, then railways also you have to go through it. So roadways and railways are the topics to be studied from chapter number 11, that is transport importance and modes. Okay, then apart from railways, you have to go through airways also and waterways also. Okay, railways, airways, waterways, and most importantly, what you have to study about railways, airways, and waterways. So advantages and disadvantages. Okay, advantages and disadvantages you have to prepare. Okay, then the next one we have is what that means number 12, waste management. So waste management chapter, within this waste management we have to prepare needs of you can see here needs for waste management, methods of safe disposal, segregation, dumping, and composition. Okay, and the last one is need and methods for reducing, reusing, and recycling waste. Okay, so these are the topics, these are the chapters which you have to prepare for your second semester. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Take care, stay safe. Bye bye.